The project case shared this time is Valve Core Cap Inspection Machine. Inspection Object, Valve Core Caps. Inspection Items, Dimensional Inspection, Total Length Oversize, Defect Detection, Secondary Milling, Reverse Milling, Cracked Milling, Slight Milling Offset, Missing Machining, Hole Deformation. Equipment Features: High-speed inspection. Speed up to 300 to 500 pieces per minute. This inspection machine is compatible with two types of valve core caps with different surface treatments. High detection accuracy up to plus or minus 0.05 millimeters. Provide detailed records of both dimensional measurements and defect categorization.